อยัดกระแทกไว้เอาเปิดยังไงครับโอ้โหต่อยลำตัวครับลำตัวครับโอ้โหร่วงแล้ว
Ang pagbabalik ni Albert Pagara sa ikatlong pagkakataon ngayong taon, muling tumapak sa lona si Albert Pagara sa Thailand para sa isa na namang laban sa isang kalabang hindi pa opisyal na inilalabas ang pangalan. Sa ngayon, hindi pa rin nakikita sa BoxRec ang laban na ito, kaya limitado pa ang mga detalye.
ช่วงก่อนให้เปรียบครับปัดความโอ้โหเล่นงานลำตัวได้แต่ยิ้มเลยครับของสายงานปรินซ์ครับเย้สุดหนักเอาไปดิไปเยอะสายยังไม่โดนนะครับอย่าไปถอยสู้ไปชนเยอะกันได้จะตรงนี้มากับโทมัสเทิร์นเป็นไงเป็นพิธีครับเติมทางด้านซ้ายของอัลเบิร์ตมันน่าจะโต๊ะแบ็คซ้ายคอยกวนตลอดโต๊ะเลยลงไปฝั่งขวาลำตัวตอนนี้อัลเบิร์ตประกาศโต๊ะเลยครับผู้ซ้ายลำตัวโอ้โหโดนลำตัวแล้วมีสะดุ้งครับนิดนึงซ้ายคอยยัดกระแทกไว้เอาเปิดยังไงครับโอ้โหต่อยลำตัวครับลำตัวครับโอ้โหตอนนี้ร่วงแล้ว
Nagwagi si Albert Pagara sa pamamagitan ng TKO laban sa Thai fighter.
Stop this contest in 1 minute and 8 seconds in the very first round for winner by knockout, Albert Pagara.
Matatandaan na ang huling laban ni Pagara ay noong September 13, 2025 kontra kay Butsakon Mungchwek lang sa Thailand kung saan nagpakitang gilas siya at nagwagi via TKO.
5-1 Albert Pagara, it's a very impressive.
Noong May 23, 2025, bumiyahe naman si Albert Pagara papuntang Tajikistan para sa isang malaking oportunidad, ang International Boxing Association Pro Intercontinental Light Championship. Hinarap niya ang hometown fighter na si Bakhdur Usmonov, isang mabigat na kalabang suportado ng sariling crowd. Sa kabila ng tapang at determinasyon ni Pagara, nauwi ang laban sa pagkatalo niya via knockout sa round 3.
So into the third, and Pagara needs to start asking some questions here because, as I say, otherwise the fight just starts to slip away from you. It's very early, I know, to be saying that, but Usmonov has got that kind of rhythm to him whereby he won't have expended too much energy at all in those opening 2 rounds. He could box like that for 10 rounds comfortably, I'm sure. So Pagara has got to not allow him to do that. It'll mean he'll take a few more risks, and he started to do it at the start of this 3rd round. He's come out a bit more aggressively. Right hand there from Usmonov, just stepping around the target, looking to find different angles. Got that right hand in around the back of the guard, looks for it again there. And again, he's looked for that a few times in this round now. Kind of longish hook where it comes in from the angle and just snakes its way around the back of that left glove. So if you can land that round about the ear, the side of the head, that can do some damage. Pagara trying to fire back off the ropes, but not with any great success. And Usmonov, I think if anything, is just upping things a little bit in this round, looking to punch with a bit more spite into the final minute. Pagara, just suggesting he was caught around the back of the head there. I'm not sure he was, but he's under fire, that's for sure. He's trying to hold on there, the Filipino, and just got shrugged off by Usmanov, who then let his hands go again, and down he goes. And it's the accumulation of punches really there that is done for Pagara. And
Isang matinding kombinasyon ang tumama kay Pagara na tuluyang nagpatiklop sa Pinoy fighter. Dahil dito, tinapos ng Tajik fighter ang laban at nagwagi via knockout.
Usmanov! Ladies and gentlemen, he ended it on the last second of the third round by knockout. The winner of this bout and new WBA Gold Champion, Bahadur Usmanov!
Ang pangalang Pagara ay minsan nang itinuring na isa sa mga susunod na magiging malaking pangalan sa Philippine boxing, maangas, mahusay at puno ng pangako. Ngunit ang laban niya noong February 27, 2016 ang naging tunay na turning point ng kanyang karera. Doon niya hinarap ang matinik at matibay na Meksikano na si Cesar Juarez at mula noon ay hindi na siya tuluyang nakaahon sa dating antas ng kanyang porma. Gayunpaman, kung susuriin natin ang kanyang record, nananatili itong maganda at nagpapakita na hindi pa tapos ang kwento ni Pagara. Malaki pa rin ang kanyang tsansang muling umangat at posibleng maging world champion. Bata pa siya, 31 years old pa lamang si Albert Pagara, at may panahon pa para muling patunayan ang kanyang pangalan.